TV internal short circuit signs, how to detect hardware damage. Hello, I am your technician for Tech Vibes. Is your TV screen suddenly black? Do you smell something burning? It is frustrating when your expensive tech fails. Do not worry. I will show you how to detect hardware damage and fix the issue yourself at home after watching this video. If you face any difficulty, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Step 1. Check for physical signs. Look for smoke or a burning smell coming from the back vents. If you see smoke, unplug the power cord immediately. This prevents further fire hazards. This is very important. Step 2. The clicking sound. Listen closely to the back of the TV when you try to turn it on. A rapid clicking sound usually means the power supply board is trying to protect the internal circuits from a short. Step 3. The flashlight test. Shine a light close to the screen while the TV is on. If you see a faint image, your backlight circuit has a short. This is a common hardware failure in modern sets. Step 4. Check the status light. Note the pattern of the blinking red light on the front panel. Check your manufacturer's website for these error codes. They pinpoint exactly which board is failing. Search for blink codes. Step 5. Inspect the ports. Look for bent pins or debris in the HDMI and USB ports. A metal object touching pins can cause a short circuit that prevents the TV from booting up. Check them all. Step 6. Power reset. Unplug the TV and hold the power button on the frame for 30 seconds. This drains static electricity that might be causing a false short circuit detection. It is a simple but effective fix. Step 7. Check the power board capacitors. Look for bulging or leaking components inside. Look very closely. Bulging capacitors are a clear sign of hardware damage. Replacing them often fixes the power issue for good. Step 8. Test the T-con board. Disconnect the ribbon cables and see if the TV stays on. Be gentle. If the TV stays on without the T-con, that board is shorted and needs a replacement. It is an easy swap. Step 9. Examine the main board. Look for charred areas or discoloration on the green circuit board. Use a light. Hardware damage is often visible. Use a magnifying glass to find tiny burned chips. Look for any dark spots on the board. I hope these tips help you save your TV. You have got this. See you in the next one for more Tech Vibes.